All right, so on a whim, going left looks cooler. So we're gonna do it. Finally something that's not driving on the freaking highway. Good thing I washed the truck off yesterday, but. Here we go, trail driving. I was really itching to do some trail driving, so that resulted in having to drive pretty much to Utah to get it. But here we go, got some puddles. Woo! Sweet. I really have no idea how far this will go. Well, I mean, you can hear it's this thing's gonna be freaking caked in red mud. Holy cow. Early season trail driving, baby. But what I mentioned right before about that thermostat, we're gonna do something about that, because it definitely is what set to 190. Oh, this is gonna be a doggone mud pit. Hell yes. Highway's right freaking there. Alright, I'm gonna get this freaking truck stuck here. Engaging 4-wheel drive to make it up this hill here. It's so freaking muddy out here. Holy cow. Alright, I gotta power through this. Holy crap, okay. It might be a little muddy. A little too muddy. Let's get some exterior shots of this baby. Holy cow. Gonna apologize for the wind right off the bat. The GoPro doesn't do very well with it, but we're out here. We are freaking out here. The highway is right there, but we're kind of in the middle of freaking nowhere. This is like a different planet. So holy freaking muddy. She's crushing though. She's alright. It doesn't look too bad up this direction, so we will continue on down the road. It looks like someone has recently been out here. This is crazy out here. Wow, just full on slipping sideways. I need some dry terrain to sling all this mud out of my tires. Where the hell does this go? This really seems like another planet. It's like, holy cow. I've never, oh, that is. We got deep ruts coming up here. Ba-bam, ba-bam. There's so much mud just slinging right past my freaking window here. Holy cow. Alright, yeah, this shit up here looks freaking deep. Just gotta push. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness gracious. Okay, we're getting fucking stuck. Freaking trail boss, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, okay. This is freaking hilarious. Holy cow. I'm calling it. I'm turning around before we just get way the hell stuck out here. Holy crud. Okay, we're hopping out again. We are freaking slaying it. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness gracious. This is the dirtiest truck. Dirtiest the truck has ever been. By far. Oh my god. It is crushing it though. This is freaking awesome. Yeah, look at this scenery. This is other planetly scenery out here. Like, holy cow. So it looks like the road goes up that way through that canyon. But once again, I mean, you could see from just turning around, this mud is like, it's slippery. If I had Max Tracks or another person out here, I would 100% be all right. But once again, by myself, I really don't want to get stuck out here. Whoo-wee.